Well, it's on a national register for historic places, yet a Barrington estate is on the chopping block.
We're talking about the Belton Court mansion in the spotlight tonight at the Barrington Town Council meeting. As 12 News told you last month, the property owners applied for a permit to demolish the historic structure. 12 News reporter Kayla Fish joins us now from Barrington tonight with what residents and town leaders are saying and whether there's any way to save the building.
Kim Shannon, no action was taken here tonight. In fact, the town's leaders assured residents that no demolition will be taking place at Belton Court until the property's owners, their attorneys and officials meet in Barrington. And the town says its goal is to leave no stone unturned when it comes to trying to save Belton Court.
We hate to see the building being torn down.
Lois and Lou Coppolino have lived next door to the Belton Court mansion in Barrington for more than 20 years. Last month, they received a notice that the property's owners applied for a permit to demolish the structure, something they said scared them.
We'd love it to be saved, but I don't know what will happen at this point.
The palatial estate dates back to the early 1900s, but since 2007, it's sat vacant and fallen into severe disrepair. Its current owners, Shine Harmony, had various plans over the years to redevelop or sell the site. But last month, the Massachusetts-based company applied for a demolition permit. According to the town's solicitor, that won't happen in the near future.
The attorney for the owners of the property has agreed that no demolition at all will take place prior to a meeting between town officials.
Town leaders say they've heard from lots of residents concerned with the possible demolition, a sentiment echoed by those at Monday night's town council meeting, including the great-grandchildren of Frederick Peck, who once owned the estate.
The town itself is not really aware of that historic building or has never had any access to it to appreciate that it is a unique gem.
Despite Belton Court being on the National Register of Historic Places, since it isn't located in a designated historic district, the town solicitor says it's not protected from being demolished. But while town leaders say they can't legally stop the demolition, they pledge to do everything they can to preserve the property. Those who live near Belton Court tell 12 News if the property can't be saved, they hope something positive can come from it.
We just want to make sure that what this space becomes is something in keeping with Barrington.
That meeting between town leaders and the property owners is expected to take place sometime over the next 2 to 3 weeks, though an exact date has not yet been set. In Barrington, I'm Kayla Fish, 12 News.